my name is Ron. Welcome to another day in my life. I am currently in Keysville, Virginia, and I'm headed down towards Laurel Springs, Dalton Park Campground to be more specific, to meet up with Box of Chocolates so we can do a little camping trip. And I decided to take the adventurous route, so I told the GPS, I didn't let me take that back. I did not tell it, the GPS, to take the adventurous routing, but I did tell it to avoid highways. The website for the campground is a pretty cool little town, but the website for the campground specifically said to not trust or use your GPS to get to that campground. So I'm using Google Maps on the phone right now, which seems to be doing okay. But you know, once I get down there, I'll find out. Just made my first stop. Got some gas. Got some almonds to snack on, and I also got some more. Filled my Camelback back up, and I got a Powerade Zero to fulfill some electrolyte needs. It's hot. It's 92 degrees today, and it's really sweltering in my book.
Eventually.
So I made it to the campground, to the campsite. We are at Dalton Park Campground on the Blue Ridge Parkway, in or near Laurel Springs, North Carolina. Sean got here early. He got here about an hour or so before I did. Kindly chopped up a bunch of wood. Wet wood. There's Sean over there, aka Sasquatch. Box of Chocolates.
Sasquatch doesn't wear pants.
We had to. Sean's tent is over there somewhere.
It's hidden behind that behemoth.
I had to squeeze it in on there, but we got here. We got my tent set up. He texted me on the way down here, and the ranger moved him from our original campsite. Apparently, there's a bear sighting down there, so they moved him up here because these sites have bear boxes. And there's another camper over the hill from us here. Well, it's like the next campsite over. And it's an older woman. I don't know how old do you think she is? 60, 70? 60s. Mid to late 60s. And she was supposed to have her family come visit her this afternoon, and they didn't. They had to cancel because of work schedules or something. But she cooked a meal. There were green beans with potatoes. She made biscuits, some kind of cake, tomatoes. That was it, I think. But it was so nice of her to offer us that. So we ate. We went over there and talked to her for a few minutes, and she's been camping here all week by herself. I think she's packing most of her stuff up now. But anyway, the food was good. But we're still going to have. I brought hot dogs because I wanted a repeat of the hot dog juice incident, but I don't know if that's going to happen. But we got a fire, trying to get the fire going. I don't know if it's hot enough now for hot dogs. Sean's playing. I ain't going to show him that. You don't want to do that, do you? No. He's playing with his hot dog skewer. Yeah. So anyway, I got a hot dog skewer too now, so I think we're going to cook some hot dogs.
Word.
And get something to eat. We are headed out of the campground this morning, Sean and I, and you can see in front of me. And we're going to head to North Wilkesboro to a place called, I think it's called the Coffee Shop, for some breakfast. And after that, we're going to head towards, I think it's it's a reservoir down in Wilkesboro, K. Scott Reservoir or something like that. Kerr Scott, I don't remember the name of it. But we're going to try to do some fishing today, fiddle around, probably do a little exploring. There's a couple of sites we might want to go check out. But other than that, this is probably the quietest campground I've been to all year. There's hardly anybody there. Anyway, I'll be back with you when there's something else to talk about. Look over there, guys. How gorgeous is this place? Can't make this up. Get out there and enjoy some nature.
A few moments later.
Alright, we got your update on the fishing. So the worms seem to be working now. We have decided that the only fish in this lake that within our grasp at this moment from this location are these little 4 to 5 inch panfish, brim, bluegill, whatever you want to call them. but clearly that we were using too big of a hook, so we put on some little tiny hooks, and I've caught 2 little ones so far. I'll insert the pictures here, but now I turned the GoPro on to get this live. Sean has just tried the smaller hook, so let's tune in to see if he catches one finally.
You're getting robbed.
Yeah, I know you can't see his bobber out there, but it's out there float. Can I get Sean in the scene? There's Sean. Look, check out
Not a
that.
very strong
Check out
fisherman.
check out his pro angler stance.
That's right.
Rod at about a 40-degree angle, parallel with the bobber. Watching it like a hawk.
Needs to wash in.
I know you guys can't see it. Yeah, it's a little bit too far out now. The water's got to be about 8 inches deep to catch these little things. If I guaranteed him he would catch one
Small hook.
after putting this smaller hook on. So let's just wait and see. Oh, there. How'd you miss that, Sean?
I don't know.
Oh, there we go. He got him. Sean got him. Oh,
Come on, man.
he had him. Sean lost the only fish that he has
I had him on a hook.
today.
I think he robbed me.
Let's see, did he take his bait? Nope, there's still some worm on there. So he's gonna go back out there and get him.
I'm gonna adjust. That's a good
All right, I had to cut the camera off. Sean had to reconfigure his gear. He's readjusted his stance now.
Yeah. It's too good a cast.
So what he does, his technique is to cast it too far out in deeper water and to bring it back into shallower water where the trophy fish are. So we're fishing
biggins,
for
as they call 'em.
the elusive 3-inch panfish. Like I said, you call them brim, bluegill, warmouth, I don't know, whatever you want to call them. So they're in here.
So Ron caught 2 fish, so that means we can't take the worm.
You just missed it. You just missed a good
I'm
hit.
looking at you, huh?
Well, don't look at me. You're losing your pro angler stance.
This is where they hit it right here.
There we go. Oh,
Yeah.
you didn't let him take it. There he goes. Now you got him. Oh, how do you keep?
I got him.
Oh, he got him. Don't lose him. Don't lose him. Don't lose him. Here he comes. Here he comes. There you go.
Oh my God, he's so small.
He's smaller than the one
He's
I
small.
got.
He's so small.
I don't know if you can see that. I know it looks bigger than it is. I mean,
Dude, I think I got him through the eyeball.
oh, Sean hooked him through the. There's no way you got him through the eyeball.
No,
There
I
he
did
is.
not. I did not.
Hold that fish out there like a proud angler, Sean. Let's see.
Oh
that
yeah.
thing. There we
It's as
go.
big as my
That's
thumb.
it. That's it. There you have it. There you have it. Pro angler.
He's like, what?
We did not get skunked on this fishing trip. Craig. So now I am driving across the Kerr Scott Dam. We just finished fishing down in that area down there to the left, and I thought we'd ride across the dam and get some footage to see what it's like from up here. It's pretty cool. There's a lot to see. Let me pull right here. So we were right down there fishing, as you can see, and this is the reservoir. This is the dam. We read about it. This is a bottom opening dam. I forget how deep it is. They began building this dam in 1960, and yeah, they opened it up, I guess, maybe from that building right there, and it opens up the dam at the bottom to allow water to flow out of the reservoir, which is pretty cool. Well, just ended the camping trip with Sean, and I'm headed to this Overlook that I wanted to check out before heading home, and it's got a nice little curve. I can't remember if I got it on camera yesterday or not, but it's a pretty cool curve going around on like a cliff. It's pretty awesome, and I just wanted to get it on camera. I didn't have the GoPro on yesterday when we came back from our fishing trip, and was not able to get the GoPro on and start recording in time to get this stretch of the road, but I will get it. Here it is right here. You got a sheer rock cliff on this side, and on the right you can see it goes all the way around this gap. How awesome is this? This is so gorgeous. You gotta love the mountains, you really do. It really is beautiful. I put my rain suit on because it was drizzling on us back at the camp before we left, but I'm looking at the sky now and I'm debating whether I should take it off at this Overlook. I don't know if this is the Overlook or not. I don't don't know, this might be it. We'll see. What's up, guys? I just want to take this couple of seconds here to thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Please leave a comment, and I will always comment and get back to you guys. You know I always do. And if you're in the local area or you're passing through and you got time and I have time, maybe we can meet up for a cup of coffee, smoke a cigar, go for a motorcycle road, go for a motorcycle ride, or even wet a hook out in the river or pond somewhere. I appreciate it. Y'all be safe, and I'll talk to you again on the next video.